West Virginia Metal, American-made, family-owned, and built on trust. For over 20 years, West Virginia Metal has been a cornerstone of American manufacturing. Since 2003, our family-owned business, deeply rooted in West Virginia values, has sent truckloads of premium metal and building materials from our yard to job sites, businesses, and homes across the region and beyond. Don't let our name fool you. While we're proudly based in West Virginia, but our reach extends far beyond state lines, serving over 400 distributor locations. Our success stems from one core principle: putting people first. From our loyal customers to our dedicated team, we invest in relationships, top-tier equipment, and service that stands out in an industry where quality and care matter. Many companies offer good products. Some provide solid service. Few deliver both with unwavering consistency. That's what makes West Virginia Metal a trusted name in building supplies. Our hard-working team, from sales to the shop floor, production to delivery, drives everything we do. Every piece of roofing, siding, railing, and building material we produce is sourced in America and crafted right here in West Virginia. We take pride in every product that leaves our facility, standing firmly behind our name and our work. When you choose West Virginia Metal, you're not just getting high-quality materials, you're supporting American jobs and craftsmanship. Whether you're a contractor, business owner, or homeowner, we're here to meet your needs with dependable products and exceptional service. Join us in building your next project. We'll pair you with one of our trusted distributors to ensure your project is a success. Contact us today at 304-872-4451 or visit wvmetal.com to start your journey.